Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. Zora sitting at 5 cent, holding this floor, holding in this level. And like I said before, guys, I think Zora is a 50x potential gem. If you just dive into the flywheel of Zora and what they're building, what they're doing, every Zora launch is peered to Zora. There's going to be millions and millions of creators onboarded when the base app goes live. The base app should go live on the 17th. If you guys think about it from this perspective, imagine Facebook, imagine Instagram, and these other social media platforms, TikTok, etc., in a crypto format, right? Where all of these fees that are generated goes to the Zora protocol through the base app, and Zora is the underlying infrastructure that powers the base app, right? When you think of it from that perspective, with the millions and millions of people that will be onboarded to crypto through Coinbase and the base app, we know there's just going to be more and more people that come to the crypto space. There's not going to be less people that come to the crypto space. And if they're not going through Binance, they're going to be going through Coinbase and the base app, right? So with that, we could see so much growth for Zora just being the underlying technology that powers the base app. And that's why I think $1 per Zora, if not $5 to $10, is extremely possible from here, right? If you, now this is the thing, right? Right now Zora is at 225 million in market cap, 500 million in FDV. So 50% of the supply, around 50%, is out. If you could afford 100,000 Zora tokens, which is $5,000, $5,050 at this point in time, you could get it on Robinhood, Coinbase, and other tier ones as well. I think Uphold also has it. If you could afford that, right, and get 100,000 tokens and be patient and hold till $1 to $3 to $5, that will make you six figures from one trade. If you could be patient and hold that, right? I'm telling you, because a lot of people might take profits around the 20 to 30 cent area, but I think Zora goes way beyond that, in my opinion, right? If you can afford the 100,000 tokens, because that's a lot of money, $5,000 to invest in crypto as a new participant, that's most people's portfolio. 5 to 10K, that's most people's starting portfolio, right? How about investing half of that, or even $1,000, right? So 2,500 for 50,000 tokens, or $1,000 for 20,000 tokens, right? And then, like I said, you compound those when you compound that growth, right? I personally made it a goal to get 100,000 Zora tokens, right? I made that a goal for myself because I'll be holding until it gets to $1, $2, $3, $4, because a 20x puts it at $1 from here. A 20x is not unrealistic. Remember, the max supply of Zora, even if you're worried about the tokenomics and half of the supply being unlocked, that, in my opinion, is not something to worry too much about, because the max supply, it has a max supply of 10 billion, right? And Pepe, the meme coin Pepe last bull run, went to 10 to 11 billion. If you check CoinGecko, I'll just make the comparison for you guys right now. And I know it was a different time in the market, but we could see now that people are moving away from the meme coin wave, because it has become so difficult to trade meme coins, especially when it comes to like Solana. It's so difficult. The average person can't win. The average person can't win in this space anymore. This space has been absolutely horrendous this year. I have, been terribly trading the entire year, right? And I don't have any paid groups. I'm not no insider, none of that. And it's just been extremely difficult for, investors this year, right? But 2023 Q4 2023 going into 2024 Q2 to Q3 was very great for meme coins, because people actually held to very high valuations. So it had more of a PvE, player versus everyone environment, where more and more people were actually winning. Not anymore. Now it's cutthroat. It's extremely difficult, especially if you're trying to trade, on the newly launched Solana meme coins. It's almost impossible to be successful at that. But even though we saw, like, in the time frame, we saw Pepe go to 11 billion market cap. It took it, around 6 months. After it launched, it had a massive accumulation, right? It had a massive accumulation, and then boom, 6 months later, you see Pepe went to a total market cap of 11 billion, right? Okay, right here, 11 billion market cap. Okay, and that's without a flywheel, no intrinsic value, none of that. As you guys can see, 11 billion market cap, right? So for Zora, that is building on the base app where millions of new users will be onboarded, which all helps Zora to grow. 10 billion market cap, in my opinion, is lowballing it. I think we see $3, which is 30 billion market cap, or $4, which is 40 billion market cap, right? And this is the fully diluted market cap I'm talking about, not the circulating, the fully diluted with the max applied. Simple mathematics. When it gets to 10 billion, that's $1. 40 billion, that's $4, right? Even 100 billion market cap, if that also could be achievable long term, right? Because the base app, in my opinion, will be used by all of the, whenever we have retail coming back to the space, whenever they return, right? Because this entire cycle we have not seen any retail. Whenever they return to this space, most of them, in my opinion, will be onboarded through the base app, Coinbase, right? I don't think Binance is gonna take all of that mindshare. I think the most retail comes from America, and the American investors are going to use the base app for, all of their trading needs, right? Being able to buy coins on the base app, creating their own creator coins, being able to promote their creator coins and get paid to do so. All of that is powered through Zora. And that's why I think this project is going to be absolutely massive. Now you could go live on Zora. As you can see right here, you have podcasts, you are creating content, VTuber, YouTuber, whatever you name it, right? Whatever type of content you're making, fitness, it doesn't even have to be crypto. You onboard your live stream, you get people involved. They could engage with your creator coin to support you with your content, and you earn fees through that, right? There's no limit as in when you could start earning. You start earning immediately with Zora. As soon as you activate your creator coin, you start earning immediately, as long as people trade, buy and sell your creator coin. You get people involved to, even if they just do so for $5 to $10, right? It's again, in my opinion, this is a massive gem of a project, and I think most people are sleeping on it. I'm not sleeping on it. Again, I think a great goal to have is to achieve 100,000 Zora tokens. I think that's going to be a great investment for the future. Let me get your thoughts down below. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.